Give me just 4 minutes a day, and watch the woman in the mirror start smiling again. Every jump is a step closer to the confident, unstoppable woman you're becoming. Feel the burn, that's your strength waking up and your excuses fading away. Stay strong here, because the woman who doesn't quit is the one who gets results. This is for the future you, the one who looks in the mirror and feels proud, not frustrated. Finally, you complete all exercises. Please keep it up for 7 days for better and amazing results, and subscribe for more workout videos.